Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. By the way, my name is Marian, and today we'll be talking and featuring of one of our amazing virtual assistant here at Remote Philippines Jobs. So now let's learn more about her story, her journey, and her experience here at RPJ. So now let's all welcome Miss Karen Sara Baren. Hello, Miss Karen. Hello, good afternoon. How's your day so far po?
Hello. Yep. It's good so far. Medyo madami lang ginagawa, but okay naman.
I see. Nakita ko nga rin po na madami kayong ginagawa kasi nakikita ko yung mga task nyo in in the workspace. So yon, laban lang tayo para sa pera, di ba? Okay. So, to start, Miss, or before we start with our testimonial interview, can you please introduce yourself first to our viewers?
Yes, hi everyone. My name is Karen, and I've been with RPJ from since February. I've been a VA since Feb, and luckily, and for the trust of our bosses, I got promoted as an operations assistant almost a month now. Yeah, almost a month now.
Wow. So basically, parang siyang promotion, Miss, no? In your like previous role here at the company. Okay, that's good. That's good. Meron talagang promotion here even though hindi ka pa lang, or
Yes.
parang wala pang 1 year, guys. Talagang promotion, ganon. So, to start, Miss, my first question to you would be about personal growth and regarding your confidence here or your personal growth here at RPJ. So my first question is, what's something about yourself that improved since joining here at RPJ?
I think improved my skills sa general admin task. Since yun nga, I don't have any experience, just the basic ones. I've improved my skills, and yun yung maganda kasi tinitrain ka nila, they teach you on what to do, paano gawin, and they would see to it na you understand what your tasks are.
Okay, and thank you so much for that one, Miss. Meron talagang improvement. Every day naman tayo ay nag-improve din. So, before this job, Miss, what was one thing you struggled with personally and or personally or professionally?
Siguro my struggle before was I won't be able to learn ng mabilisan, or I won't be able to learn yung things kasi nga sobrang daming changes when it comes to everything, lalo na sa work, sa AI, ganyan, on how to do your things easily. So akala ko I won't be able to adapt to it, but I guess I'm adapting to it, I'm getting used to it and everything. Nagagamit siya.
Yeah, I know. Like, in the first time, siguro, or kahit saan naman, even though we're expert no, in certain things, parang naninibago pa rin talaga. Parang nangangapa in the first time. So, I do understand with that one, Miss. The next question I have here, Miss. What's a moment that made you realize that you are growing here at RCJ?
Siguro yung the moment they asked me if I can do an important task. So giving you, I think someone giving you an important task to have the operations and everything. Ayun. So doon ko siya na-realize na kaya ko pala, they trust me with all the tasks. So ayun.
Yeah, totally understand that, Miss. The next question I have here, Miss, is in regards with your real work experience here at RPJ. So, was there a task that you thought you couldn't do at first, but now it just feels normal na lang?
Madami. Madami. From the day I started nga. But when it comes to operations, there are complicated, I think complicated for me at the start. Siguro, I'm not sure if I can say it or what, but yeah, there are tasks in the operations na I thought I won't be able to do it, like fixing the phone farm, checking what errors, kung anong meron sa phone farms, ganyan. So, yeah, akala ko hindi ko kaya, but nagagawa ko naman na siya.
Ngayon, parang easy na lang kahit pumikit pa. Alam na ng mouse mo saan pupunta, anong gagawin, parang ganun po. Di ba? Thank you po. Thank you so much. Okay, to continue, Miss. Next question I have here. What motivates you to show up and give your best every day?
I think that motivates me to show up every day, Monday to Saturday, is I know I'll be able to help new VAs sa mga tasks nila, assist them. Yun. So once they send yan, alam ko na kailangan ko sila i-assist, or if they have any questions, kailangan masagot ko sila agad kasi syempre they're currently doing their task, and they have so kailangan na ng help. So I guess yun yung maka-help ako sa mga fellow VAs to do their task ng tama.
Yeah, I see. So, upon joining here at RPJ, Miss, parang nakikita mo ba yung sarili mo na ganun pala yung task na gagawin mo here or role mo dito sa RPJ? Na parang nagtuturo ka, you're guiding other VAs, ganun. Parang na-anticipate mo na ba yung ganun yung trabaho mo dito sa RPJ?
Actually, hindi. I wasn't expecting anything muna kasi sa mga first few months ko, since on how to be an SMM, ganyan, on how to do this SMM thing, I wasn't really expecting na Miss Joyce would trust me with the operations task and help out Miss Joyce. So, yeah, I guess sila din naman nakakita na if you're reliable or not. So if they see that you're reliable, meron talagang growth for opportunity dito.
True, I totally agree. Basta open lang talaga tayo, di ba? Hindi tayo parang kine-question na, oh, bakit maraming task na naman to? Bakit dagdag na task na naman to? As long as we're open. I don't know if that was you na nag-mention na tumatak talaga sa akin, na sabi mo na in this, but hindi lang tayo focus in just one niche. or ikaw yung nagsabi nun, miss, dapat talaga in this industry, we have to parang open din tayo with other niches din talaga. Kasi parang lugi tayo
Mm.
kung isa lang tayo
Oo.
natin, di ba? I still remember that one, that words from you. So that's why, parang naalala ko talaga si Miss Karen. Upskill talaga.
Yes, kailangan mo mag-upscale para, because there would be tasks na sometimes your clients would ask you to do, but you don't have an idea. But yeah, you have to do self-study or do your own research on how to do your task.
True, I totally agree with that, miss. Parang ma-remember ko talaga siya palagi. That skill and a skill. Learning is a lifelong process talaga. So that's what, yun din yun. So, okay, grab that opportunity talaga. Diba? Wala namang masama kung i-try din natin. So, thank you so much for that one, miss. Next question I have here, miss. What's one lesson that RPG or this company taught you that you'll carry the rest of your life?
Pero one lesson that I learned from RPJ, you have to be patient talaga. Or I would say you have to be patient kasi nga here at RPJ we just don't give tasks right away. You understand the task before you are given yung task talaga. So you have trainings and everything. So you have to be patient. If they see that you for example, you still need more training, they would train you naman eh. So they would assess you talaga. Because ayaw nila kasi ng mga wala namang may gusto na bigyan ka ng trabaho na alam mong hindi mo magagawa na maayos.
True.
They want to understand on how to do task properly.
Tatag yung loob or kung wala ka talagang lakas ng loob or pasensya here at RPJ, parang hindi ka talaga parang mag-last long, ganon. Yun yung sa hindi alam ng iba kasi here at RPJ, although maraming task ang meron, pero hindi siya ibibigay agad sa'yo kung alam naman natin na hindi ko siya kayang gawin. So that's why we do have trainings, we do have SOPs, kung talagang kaya mo siya, And yeah, yun yung sabi ni Miss Karen na you have to be patient talaga here at RPJ. Gagawin mo lang talaga yung lahat naman na ibibigay sa'yo. Yun. Okay. So thank you so much for clearing that out, Miss Karen. So next question I have here, Miss, is in regards with, the company culture and the support that you receive from RPJ. So first question I have here in this segment, what makes this company stand out from other workplaces?
What makes it stand out is that everyone is welcome. Yun yung culture niya. But experience or no experience, you're welcome. Plus again, the assistance that you will be getting from the operations team, solid support naman kapag nag-start ka pa lang. And then siguro yun nga, the best I would say culture is that you get to choose your own schedule, your own time, your own day off. So I think yun yung mga nagsa-stand out na yung maganda sa RPJ.
Totally agree. Especially talaga yung flexible schedule. Yun talaga yung parang na-shock ako na, bakit ko yung pinapili ng schedule ko? Meron ba talagang ganito? Baka scam to yung mga ganyan-ganyan. But then, really, nakasali pala siya sa job description na it's flexible schedule. Diba? So, talagang kung ano talaga yung preferred na work schedule mo, yun, pwede ka talagang pumili kung ano yung preferred na work schedule mo. And that's what really stand out RPJ from other workplaces then. Thank you so much for that one, miss. Parang same tayo, nang isasagot kung meron man akong, or tatanungin din ako na ganyan. Okay, next question I have here, miss. What kind of support did you receive that helped you like improve faster in regards with, the tools and the applications or mga tasks na binibigay sa'yo?
With support, wala akong masabi. Miss Joyce, nandyan siya palagi to assist me. And if I have any questions, siguro what I do na lang is, if hindi ko talaga alam yung sagot, or if I can't figure it out, hindi ko muna ginagawa yung task. Hihintayin ko muna yung tamang process, or I confirm if tama ba yung understanding ko. But for the support, everyone's been supportive, like Miss Joyce, everyone. So, yun.
Shout out to Miss Joyce. Yeah, everyone, they're really very helpful talaga, no? But especially Miss Joyce talaga and Miss Anna, they are really hands-on, parang hands down talaga sa kanila, sa kanilang patience towards the VAs, or the new VAs talaga. So, I do appreciate them with their effort and their patience na binibigay nila or pinapakita nila with the new VAs then, especially us, di ba? So, thank you so much for that one, Miss. So, next question I have here, Miss, is in regards with your success and your future goals right now. So, first question I have here, do you see yourself growing in this company or growing here at RPJ for long term?
I would say yes. I would say ngayon, nasasabi ko na yes. But if you ask me that question like a few months ago, hindi ko siya masasagot. Siguro ngayon, I would say yes. Kasi nga, yun na nga, I was given the task to be an assistant, operations assistant. So, ayun, I think giving me that task as an operations assistant it's a big thing for me. Kasi operations yun eh. I help with daily operations. I help Miss Joyce to make sure yung operations garan siya okay every day. If there were any conflicts sa schedules, yes, I would see myself growing with RPJ. And yun nga, I'm still learning a lot from everyone.
So ako din, hanggat meron pa yung RPJ guys, as of now ha, hanggang nandito pa yung RPJ, nandito rin siguro ako. Ganon. Kasi I don't have any reason to leave RPJ as of now. Kasi parang kung ano yung hinahanap ko with a workplace, parang binibigay naman ng RPJ, ganun talaga. Sa isang, or wala ka sa toxic na environment. Very important. Yun, that's why I don't have any reason right now to leave. So hopefully, in a few years, nandito pa, but, we are already like, having growth in here, 'di ba? Yun lang din naman yung mga pangarap natin. So hopefully soon. My next question I have here, Miss, is in regards with the hiring process and how would you encourage other applicants also? So looking back now, are you glad that you took the risk and applied here at RPJ and why?
Yes, yes. Oo. Actually, sabi ko nga din sa risk, if when you apply, it's really up to you. If mag-apply ka or hindi sa isang company, if you medyo yung feeling mo hindi maganda, di ba? Bakit ka mag-apply? But I didn't feel that with RPJ when I applied and when I had the interview. Parang normal application, like send application, interview, ganyan. And if you're having doubts with RPJ, I guess try nyo na lang, try it. It's for you to find out. Yeah, based on my experience, okay naman siya. I've been with the company for less than 6 months. I'm okay with my job. Parang try nyo para malaman nyo. Kasi if you won't try it, hindi nyo malalaman kung totoo o hindi. And yeah, the risk, you would say it's a risk kasi isipin mo na scam. But I guess nasa sa tao talaga yun eh. But yeah, we're here. Masahod, nagsasalda every 15:30. So, I guess it's not a scam.
True, totoo. At first talaga, kahit sino naman siguro, lalo na yung payout natin is every 15 and 30. So medyo mahaba talaga yung parang waiting process mo, di ba? But, guys, with me also, at first, akala ko talaga scam. But after talking to like, real people, asking if nung naka-receive na talaga ako ng payout, doon ko na parang, legit pala talaga to. Parang ganun. At first talaga, meron ka naman talagang doubts. Kahit sino naman, meron talagang doubts. But yun nga yung sabi ni Miss Karen, it's for you to find out na lang din. Basta para sa amin, guys, legit talaga siya. Kasi sumasahod naman kami. So, wala kami. So, masasabi talaga namin na legit and worth it talaga yung pag-apply namin. Diba? So, thank you so much for that one, Miss Karen. So, next question I have here, Miss. What advice would you give applicants to stand out during hiring process?
It depends on what position that you'll be applying for here in RPJ, but I would guess just be confident with the interview. Be honest with your resume. Confidence talaga eh, kasi ako dinaan ko lang din sa confidence. So, yun lang ang sabi ko. Be confident when you have your interview.
True. Parang yung puhunan mo talaga, sarili mo talaga yung puhunan. Kahit saan. It should start with yourself, guys. Yun talaga. It should really start with yourself. So, yan lang din yung ma-encourage ko or masasabi ko with everyone who wants to apply or hindi man dito sa RPJ, kahit saan. Dapat talaga, it should start with yourself. Dapat talaga alam mo sa sarili kung ano yung kaya mong gawin. Yun talaga, confidence. Ika nga, confidence lang talaga. So my last question to you, Miss Karen, would be, what's one thing applicants should stop overthinking then?
I think one thing na dapat stop ng they would stop overthinking when applying, not just in RPJ or any applications or any job, is if matatanggap ba sila o hindi. Parang wala pang initial interview, iniisip nila, matanggap kaya ako? Paano kung hindi ako matanggap? Ganyan. Siguro don't overthink. Daanan mo muna yung unang process. Do the first process first. Gauge yourself naman if you did good, or you did bad, or sakto lang. From there naman you would know na if I did good in this interview, ang dito, feeling ko ang galing ko dito. So, you would be confident kasi na kasi I'll pass the second process or whatever. Yan. So, I think yung hindi ka pa nakakapag-apply ka, then you would go the first interview, nag-overthink ka na, it's really not gonna help you during the application process.
True, totally agree. Wala pang result, pinapangunahan mo na, parang ganon. Stop overthinking talaga. And also din, parang yung stop overthinking na yung ina-apply mo ay scam, ganon. Lahat na ina-apply mo baka scam, ganon. Diba? Minsan, hindi natin tinatapos or minsan nakapasok na tayo pero hindi natin tinatapos kasi we think scam siya, especially if newbies or kahit sino. Minsan yun din yung problema, pinapangunahan natin na baka scam to, hindi ko na lang to ilalet go ko na lang to kasi baka scam to. Merong mga ganun na instances or I don't know or sa akin lang siguro minsan din overthink ko din yung application times ko pa, but yeah, hopefully I just trust the process and yun nga, I just trust the people nung chinat ko yung mga people here na okay, legit pala to, sige, let's just try, wala naman siguro mawawala. So yun din siguro yung parang dapat iwasan natin or i-avoid natin as an applicant pa. So, thank you so much for that one, Miss Karen. I think that wraps up for today's conversation. And I just want to say thank you so much again and again for sharing your experience and your story. It really means a lot. And I know a lot of, people will be able to relate to this testimonial interview. And you guys, if you're watching this and you are curious about remote work or becoming a VA, I hope that Miss Karen or story gives you a real and honest glimpse of what it's like behind the scenes, especially here at RPJ. So if you feel also that this is something that you want to explore, don't hesitate to reach us out or comment or drop a comment at the comment section. And yeah, thank you once again for watching. Miss Karen, thank you so much for your time. And I know you're really busy. Thank you so much for agreeing to this interview so much and enjoy the rest of your day. We'll see you on the next one. Bye for now, Miss. Bye, everyone.